session. Yo guys, and welcome back to another video. I just made a video not so long ago, and yeah, I'm with my friend. That's my mom. I'm gonna be talking to her in chat and chat. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna be her boss called her a boy. So I have to info her. So yeah, we're gonna find the boss and kill them all. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna get them all. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell because I'm doing all of these SCP roleplays. I'm doing all different teams. Really the same teams sometimes, but this is gonna be fun. If you guys like these, like I said, smash that like button. And let's do this. Right now we are entering the CDC. Oh no, we're gonna die. I'm gonna give everybody an opportunity to say hi. Probably. This is gonna probably be a short little video, but because I already made one today. If you guys want to see that video, go check it out on my. It's still on my channel, same channel, everything, same. Shark. Shit. Open. Oh my god, these. Oh, frick. Shoot, I died. Talk that. So, come on. I wish this would be better. Okay, so you can find this. It's an SCP video, unless it's just a right away. Okay, let's do this. Come on. Shh. Okay, go. Go. Ah, fudge. Okay. Oh my, what does she want? If you guys want me to keep playing this, like and subscribe. But I do other videos. This is probably gonna be my main game. It's kind of like a, I don't want to say hit because it's not. I mean. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna do this. Don't spawn kill. Don't spawn kill. Okay, guys, let's do this. Go. I can suck on your little family friendly. I can suck on the popsicle, but I don't want to cause it's a little cold. It's the winter. I don't want to do it. But if it's a challenge, I will. We will eat it. It will be cold, 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 cold. Shivering in my bed with the warm blankets on, with my cat on my side. Yeah, yeah. I wanna pet her and him, but they're too cute and they're even. We will be real. I'm with her sniff. We got get him. Yeah. Not you shit. No. Okay. As you saw, they were being stinkers, so I had to end them. This guy is so effective when I shoot in the head. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Okay. I'm gonna end the okay. If you guys liked the video, then like it and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified because I make videos every day. Peace.